How to get blue coins on the Bingo Blitz game. If you have been playing the Bingo Blitz game and wondering on how to get the blue coins, which are the credits as well, and don't know how to do it, don't worry, in today's video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now here you can find the blue coin right here at the top. Now select it. Now to get the blue coins, here you can find different offers to buy the blue coins, which can be called credits as well. Now to get it, simply tap onto one of these just like this and simply add the payment method and buy it. And you can also get it by playing the game and simply winning it. And that's it. This is how you can get the blue coins in the Bingo Blitz game. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.